Students, these are the BCom first year business organization and management very important questions beta. Now let's we see first question. Now second question, LLP. Limited liability partnership. Third question, what is business? Explain the functions of business. Now fourth question. Difference between partnership and sole partnership. Next, what is industry? Explain the types of industries. Fifth question. Next, sixth question. Explain the partnership and features, its advantages and disadvantages. Next, seventh question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a joint Hindu undivided family? Next question, explain the objectives of business. Next, unit 1, last question, ninth question, what is a sole partnership? Explain the characteristics, nature and scope of sole proprietorship. Sorry beta, not partnership or proprietorship. These are the very important questions of unit 1. Please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends beta. These are the very important questions of unit 1.